Racing isn't just about speed on the track. Some of the most critical moments happen off the asphalt, in the pit lane where seconds can make or break a race. Have you ever wondered how race car tires are changed in just a few seconds? Let's dive into the fascinating world of pit stop technology and precision. In Formula One, a tire change typically takes just 2 to 3 seconds. Yes, you heard that right, seconds. The fastest pit stop ever recorded was an astonishing 1.80 seconds, achieved by McLaren, changed Lando Norris's tires in an eye-watering 1.80 seconds in 2023 Qatar Grand Prix. In other racing series like NASCAR or endurance racing, tire changes take a bit longer, anywhere from 10 to 20 seconds, due to fewer crew members and added tasks like refueling. So, how do they manage this incredible speed? It's a mix of cutting-edge technology and teamwork. Let's break it down. First, we have the specialized wheel guns, high-speed pneumatic or electric tools that can spin up to 10,000 RPM. These guns loosen and tighten the single central nut on each wheel in milliseconds, delivering precise torque for safety and speed. Quick-release mechanisms. Unlike your regular car, race cars use a single central locking nut. This quick-release mechanism allows for lightning-fast wheel changes. Pit crew coordination. Next, there's the pit crew coordination. In Formula One, a team of 20 to 25 crew members is meticulously trained for precision. Each member has a dedicated role, from removing the old tires, fitting the new ones, to operating the jacks. Their synchronization is key to shaving off every possible millisecond. Car jacking systems. Race cars are also equipped with hydraulic or pneumatic jacks that lift the car in an instant, allowing the crew to work without delay. Some systems are even built directly into the car. Before a new tire is even fitted, it's preheated using tire warmers to ensure maximum grip when the car hits the track. Advanced sensors monitor tire pressure, temperature, and wear, helping teams decide the perfect moment for a tire change. This incredible combination of state-of-the-art technology and human precision makes pit stops one of the most thrilling aspects of motorsport. It's a finely tuned dance where every millisecond matters. So the next time you watch a race, take a moment to appreciate the artistry happening in the pit lane. It's not just about speed, it's about teamwork, engineering, and the relentless pursuit of perfection. If you found this breakdown fascinating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Which pit stop moment amazed you the most? Let us know.